Welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're making a soup, and it's a very simple, very easy soup. It's one of the best I've ever made, actually. Super simple, really good, really affordable as well. And I've realized that I've been making a lot of baking content, so savory recipes as well. And also I haven't made a lot of soup recently, and my brother is sick, and this soup is perfect for all occasions really. Just soup, or if it's cold outside, or if you're sick, any occasions will work. So let's show you guys how to make it. To make this soup, here we have 1 large onion that is finely chopped, 2 carrots that are also cut into small cubes, 1 cup of tomato sauce. You can use canned, you can use fresh, up to you. 1 potato, medium to large, also chopped into small pieces. Half a cup of lentils that we've washed really well and soaked. 1 inch of ginger grated. 2 cloves of garlic. 1 teaspoon curry powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Half a teaspoon cumin. Half a teaspoon chili flakes, or it's up to you, as much or as little as you want. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 liter of vegetable stock or broth. And salt and pepper. So for our first step, in a pot on medium heat, you're going to add your olive oil. Once your olive oil has heated just a little bit, because it burns easily, we're going to add the onion. And also the carrots. And we're going to saute them until they wilt and also the volume decreases. It's been a few minutes. Now we'll just take the lid off. And as you can see, it has wilted and the volume as well. So it smells amazing. We're going to move on to our next step. Our next step is adding the ginger. This is our ginger. And also the garlic. And we will saute this as well. So you're only going to saute the garlic and the ginger until you can smell their aroma. So not long. And now we'll add the tomatoes. And mix that in as well. And we're also going to add our spices. So we have the chili flakes, cumin, turmeric, and also the curry powder. And we're just going to give it a mix. And lastly, we're also going to add in salt and pepper. Now that the spices and the tomatoes have infused with each other, we're going to add our lentils. And we'll give this a gentle mix. Once you've given the lentils a gentle mix, we're going to add in the potatoes. And we'll mix that in as well. So now that the ingredients have infused with each other a little bit, it smells so good. We're going to add the liquid, which is vegetable stock. We're going to add 1 liter. Now you're just going to give it a gentle mix, and you're going to cover it and let it cook 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetables are soft and tender. It has been around 15 to 17 minutes approximately. Now we're just going to uncover it and check on it, and as you can see it is bubbling, but it looks like it needs a little more time. And if you think you need to add just a little bit more liquid, you can feel free to do that. Alright, so it's been about half an hour, 30 minutes. And as you can see, it's bubbling and it's also nice and thick. And this is the consistency that we're looking for. And everything is cooked, but it's not too mushy. So now we'll turn it off the heat and we'll let it cool down just a little bit, and then I'll serve it. So once we've served, just to garnish, we've added a little bit of parsley. And also we're going to add just a squeeze of lemon juice. And as you can see, this is a really nice consistency. So let's try this. So this is the consistency. It's nice and thick, and it's perfect for all occasions. Whether it's cold outside, whether you're sick, whether you just want to make soup. It's a meal on its own. You can't just have it as it feels like it's a meal. It has protein. It has all the components you need in a meal, and it's very filling, so I highly recommend making this. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, follow me on my socials. I post usually a little more on there. Any like updates, anything new, you'll see them in my socials. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.